Hello students, myself Mr. Sandeep and welcome to my channel Maths Guru. In my videos, I will try to help you out in completing your math syllabus at home. I will try to solve all your problems in mathematics with the simple and short methods. Okay, basically this video is for class 10 and in my videos I will try to cover a basic book NCERT as it is prescribed by the CBSE board, right? So let us start with our first chapter, that is real numbers. You can see here the name of the first chapter is real numbers. Always when we start any class, then we come to know about the new numbers. So last time in class 9 we have learnt about rational and irrational numbers, the difference between them, the examples, various problems related with the irrational numbers. Okay, and this time we are going to learn about the real numbers. Real numbers are what? Real numbers are nothing but it is the collection of rational and irrational numbers, right? If you collect rational number and irrational together, then they are forming real numbers. Clear? So let us start with the exercise. So whatever the rules will be there. So I told you earlier that I will use the simple and short methods. According to that, I am going to start with the exercise 1.2, right? Because in exercise 1.1 some theory is there that we will solve later. So coming to our exercise 1.2, express each number as the product of its prime factors. The first question, express each number. These are the numbers given and you have to express in as the product of its prime factors. So 140 is there, the first part. So let us have a look on the solution. I have solved earlier 140 we have to make the prime factors of 140 like this. 270s are 140, 235s are 70, 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7. So these are all prime numbers. Keep in your mind these should not be composite number, they should be prime numbers. Okay, so we have expressed 140 as the product of its prime. 2, 5, 7, they are the prime numbers. Clear? So I hope this thing you know already. So we have done from, we are doing from the very fifth class. Okay, so 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So rest of the parts you have to try yourself at your home. Okay, then let's move to the question number 2 very fast. Question number 2 is what? The first part of the question is find the LCM and HCF, and then you have to verify LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the relation beta for the question number 2, 3 and 4. So all these three questions are similar, right? So HCF and LCM. Come to the solution. Here I have written the formula that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. This is applicable for two numbers only. Mean to say you cannot apply this relation for three numbers, four numbers, five numbers. This is applicable for the two numbers only. Clear? Keep in your mind. So 26 and 91. Find out their HCF and LCM. In case of HCF, you have to take the lowest power of any factor. Here 2, factor 2 is there, power is 1. Here no factor of there is no factor 2, so we are just writing it as 2 raised to the power 0. So because we know any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, so 1 can be written as a 2 raised to the power 0. This is I have written for to show you, otherwise no need to write down this. Okay, then here 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 0, smallest power is 0, so we will take here 0 power, means nothing you have to take. Then same is for 7, 7 raised to the power 1, 7 raised to the power 0, so you will take 0 power here. So after that 13 raised to the power 1, 1, it is same for in both the cases, so you will take 1 power only. So therefore HCF will be equal to 13. After that LCM. In case of LCM you have to take the higher power. 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 0, you will take 1 power. 7 raised to the power 1, 7 raised to the power 0, 7 raised to the power 1 power you have to take. Then 13 raised to the power 1, power 1 here, so 1 power will be taken. So therefore LCM will be equal to 182. So up to here our first part is complete of this question, that is HCF is equal to 13, LCM is equal to 182. Now we have to verify this relation, or you can say formula. Put the values in the left hand side or right hand side. line wise. Like HCF into LCM is equal to 13 into 182 will give you 2366, and then product of numbers right hand side will be equal to 26 into 91 is equal to 2366. So both hand sides are same, hence the formula is verified. Clear? So turn wise you have to find out HCF and LCM, then you have to put in the formula, you will get your answer. Clear? So this is your question number 2 and the first part, and rest of the parts are very similar. You have to try yourself and do your best. Then move to the question number 3. I have written here same as above, means as you have solved question number 2, in the same way you have to solve question number 3. Just have a look on the question number 3. See here, you can take the screenshot if you are not having the books. Question number 3 is find the LCM and HCF by applying the prime factorization method. Beta, in the last question we have applied only the prime factorization method only. So both are same part. Okay. So instead of giving two numbers, you can take here three numbers. So what is question number 3? The question number 3 is up to here only. Up to here only. HCF and LCM you have to find out. Right? Then come to your question number 4. Given that HCF of 306 and 657. So two numbers here in question number 2, they are given in this form. 26 and 91. They are given here in the form of bracket. So these are the two numbers and their HCF is 9. You have to find out the LCM. So same formula you will apply here. Now see the solution. We have HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. LCM will be equal to this. HCF will shift in the next step in the denominator. So product of two number is what? 306 multiplied by 657 divided by HCF, that is given to be 9. After cutting and multiplication you will get your answer 22338, and that is the correct answer. Clear? So question number 2, 3, 4, they are very similar. Then move to your question number 5. Check whether 6 raised to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. For any natural number n, mean to say if you put n is equal to 1, 6 raised to the power 1, that is equal to 6, not ending with 0. 6 raised to the power 2 is equal to 36, again not ending with the digit 0. Then put n is equal to 3. 6 raised to the power 3 is equal to 216. Again it is not ending with the digit 0. So in the same way, if you will keep on putting the values of n natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to so on, then never this number will end with the digit 0. Then what is the theory behind it? So let us talk about it. You know it already. Then what is the first number which is ending with 0? That is 10. You know all that. You can see here I have written the first number which is ending with 0 is 10, and its factors are 2 into 5. Then next one is 20, its factors are 2 into 2 into 5. Next 30, 2 into 3 into 5. You can see, you just keep on writing the other numbers also which are ending with the 0. Always one thing you will get common in all, that every number is for prime factorization of each and every number, they contain at least one pair of 2 and 5. I said one pair of at least one pair of 2 and 5 will be there. 2 5, see here, 2 5 2 5 2 5, then only the number can end with the digit 0. Okay, अगर किसी नंबर को 0 से एंड होना है तो उसकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में एक 2 और एक 5 होना चाहिए. So this Hindi I will convert into English. See, if any number has to end with the digit 0, then its prime factorization must contain the digit 2 and 5. Okay, this is the rule. But prime factors of 6, now what is the question here? 6 raised to the power n. Now the prime factors of 6, that is 2 into 3, contain 2 but not 5. हमें तो जी 2 भी चाहिए 5 भी चाहिए, लेकिन 2 तो है 5 नहीं है. So therefore 6 raised to the power n can never end with the digit 0 for any value of n. So this is the solution for this question. Okay, revise this question properly because this is very important question from the examination point of view. So in exam you can get here 12 raised to the power n, 8 raised to the power n. The whole theory will be same, and here there will be a change in this line only. 6 in place of 6, 12 will be there, will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3, contains 2 but not 5. So something like that you have to change, and this is the solution for your question number 5. Then come to your question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 cross 6 cross 5. This is the another number, this is the first number. So let us talk about this number only. See here, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So 7 into 11 into 13. So this is the first part. I have underlined this. This is the first part of the number. Why? Because this is being separated by the plus sign. Before plus it is first part, before after plus this is the second part. So from these two parts we can take out this 13 as common, which has been taken outside. Inside will be 7 into 11 plus this one. 13 will be outside, 1 will be there. 11 into 7, that is 77 plus 1, right? 77 plus 1, 78, can be factorized further. 13 into 3 into 2. Okay, so this will form a number, and you can check out after multiplying these number, whatever the answer you are getting here, same answer you will get here. Okay, it means the number is same, only we have changed the form of the number. So now see, in the given number how many factors are there? 2, 3, 13. Already 3 are there. Fourth one will be into 1, and fifth one will be into the number itself. So if any number is having more than 2 factors, then it is a composite number. Clear? This is the definition of the composite number, beta. If any number, a given number has more than 2 factors, then it will be a composite number, right? If you don't know about the, if you want to know all about the number system, then you can watch the video which I will make shortly, okay, on the types of the numbers, which whose knowledge is very required for solving many questions in your class 10. Okay, even in case of probability also you are getting the question which are based on the type of the number system. Okay, so kindly watch that video also. Then next part 7, second part of this question, 7 into this is the given number, and now you can also see here also the number is given in two part. Underline is there, it means before plus sign first part, after plus sign second part. Out of these two part you can take out 5 as common, and rest will be inside. After multiplication these number you will get here 1008 plus 1 this one 1009, and 1009 is a prime number, so you can represent it like this: 5 into 1009 into 1 can be there, no change. You all knows if any number has to be multiplied by 1 there will be no change, so no need to worry about this. Okay, into 1 into the number itself. So 1 is the factor, second that number itself 2 factors, then third one is 5, and fourth one is 1009. So the given number is having more than 2 factors, therefore it is a composite number. Clear? So this is all regarding your exercise 1.2. This is a very simple exercise, you can do yourself. And then coming to the last question, this is for you. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Now see, what is the type of this question? These question you have done in class 6. Okay, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? देखो बेटा, ऐसे तो सारी जिंदगी पड़ी है, जब मर्जी मिल जाए, ठीक है, but it means what the sense is coming from this question, they are asking for the minimum time, least time. Okay, in how much least time they will meet again. Least means L. Least stands for L. Stands for LCM. So for this question, you need to find out the LCM of two numbers which are given 18 and 12 minutes. Okay. After finding the LCM, that will be your answer. So that is your homework. You have to do yourself. Okay. And I hope you have understood this exercise. So rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Complete this, and then very soon I will be present here with the solution of exercise 1.3. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you have understood properly, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.